Today in the shop, we've got a 1933 Dodge 5-window coupe. This car came in for a reworked exhaust system. This vehicle was set up to permanently run wide open headers, which our customer did not want. We had these custom side pipes installed, but they are just not flowing great. So we're going to modify his setup to work better with these side pipes. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make these headers out of mild steel. So once the header's removed, we can then proceed to cut and modify what we want to keep existing and then decide what we're gonna make go away. So once we have our headers all cut up and our flanges are removed, we can go ahead and bolt them back to the cylinder head and start mocking up where our collector is gonna go. Once we have the collector, I need to go ahead and modify it. We're taking it from a 3.5 down to a 2.5, so I need to go ahead and cut some sections out and taper the end into my side pipe. So when building headers, it's always good to have a visual reference as to what they're going to look like and where they're going to be routed. Hence why you need one of these header building kits. So now that I've got all of my pieces figured out, I can go ahead and start tacking everything together. Once I get everything tacked, I can go ahead and weld it. For this customer, we decided to go ahead and TIG weld these headers, even though they're mild steel, just because it gives it a little bit nicer fit and finish. Now that we've wrapped up all of our TIG welding, we like the way it looks, we'll get these prepped and sent out to the ceramic coater. We just got the headers back, and the guys over at Loco Ceramic Coating always do an awesome job. So now here we are, all done with the fab work, and now we can hand it off to our tuner in the dyno room.
All right, so we were getting ready to set timing for this Dodge. Our issue is we were seeing about 200, 180 degrees of timing, which is not correct. So what that's telling me is that this harmonic balancer is not properly degreed to the crankshaft. The solution is we're just going to take out #1 spark plug. We're going to stick a bore scope down in there, rotate the engine over till we see top dead center. Then we can put a mark on the harmonic balancer, and that'll be our new reference point. Okay, so they had this on the dyno. What happened was this cylinder backfired. We're getting a little bit of rocker noise, it looks like, from this bank particularly, but we're gonna go through all of them and reset the rockers, check the lash, make sure everything's good.
Whoa! That's some serious shit in there.
I just hooked up my starter switch. We are setting lash. My exhaust is closed. Now I can do my intake. Let's get this out the way. This is no mo. Now I'm gonna rotate the engine over. I'm watching, waiting for my intake valve. So it goes down. Now just when my exhaust starts to open, I know I'm okay to adjust my intake. Make sure the lock is loose, and then I can adjust the stud, which is the actual adjustment. Take my feeler gauge, and I just feel as I tighten it. That's nice right there. I'm good with that. I'm gonna do all of them. All right, so our tuner's kind of got it almost dialed in. It's about 350 horsepower, 360 torque right now. He's got a good feel for it. I think we're gonna take it out on the road and finish tuning it out there. Guys, that's all for this hot rod. Make sure to like, subscribe, click that bell to get notified.